To change your age on TikTok, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If the age on your TikTok account is incorrect, and you can directly edit your birthday in the app settings. So the thing which you can do is that you may simply watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first step is that make sure that you have already installed the TikTok app on a device. So if you have not installed it, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to open the TikTok app, and after opening the TikTok app, you just need to tap on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right. So click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and click on the option of three straight lines, which is also the settings icon. So click on it, and from here you just need to click on the option of settings and privacy. And after settings and privacy, here you will see the option of account privacy, security and permissions, share profile, and all of it. So scroll down until you see the option which shows help center or report a problem. So click on the option of help center like this, and from here you will simply select the option of chat with us, or if you see the option of before the video DM age appeal option, so click on the option of age appeal option, and you will simply follow this step given here, or you will simply tap on the option of chat with us, and here you will see the option of account traffic interaction and all of it. So click on the option of account, and from here you just text the message or tell them that you want to change the date of birth or your age on TikTok, and they will help you to change it in a very easy step. So that's it. That's how you can change the age on TikTok. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.